Hello students. Now today we are going to revise some important questions from chapter 1 tissue of class 7th biology. So let's start with the first question. Question 1 is name the parenchymatous cells which have thickening at the corners. So you have to name the parenchymatous cells. Answer is sclerenchyma. So sclerenchyma, they have thickening at the corner. Question 2 is name the tissue present in the brain. So the tissue which is present in the brain is nervous tissue. Question 3, why is striated muscle fiber called so? Now because you can see due to presence of sarcomere, a series of bands are visible along the muscle fiber which is responsible for the striated appearance. So you have seen light band and dark band in this muscle, that's why they appear striated. Question 4, name two sites in the body where cartilage is found. So cartilage, you can see it is a soft and elastic part. It is found in the ear as well as at the tip of nose. Question number 5, you can see it is you have to differentiate between simple tissue and complex tissue. So simple tissue, this is the complex tissue. First point is the simple tissue, it is made up of only one type of cell, whereas complex tissue is made up of different types of cells. Second point is example, you can see collenchyma and parenchyma, these are simple tissue, and here you can see example phloem and xylem, these are the example of complex tissue. Question 6, you can see state two ways in which phloem is functionally different from xylem. So what you have to write here, how phloem is functionally different from xylem. So you can see first point is phloem is a living tissue, and second is phloem transport food in any direction within the plant. Now we will move to question number 7. You can see question number 7. You have to distinguish between epithelial tissue and connective tissue. Epithelial tissue, in this cells are closely packed together, and in connective tissue cells are scattered throughout an extracellular matrix. These are found above basement membrane and these are found below the based membrane. Example where they are found skin and mucous membrane, they are located at the bone as well as in the ligaments. Question number 8 is write main function of meristematic tissue. So you can see primary meristematic tissue, it helps plant to increase in length, and secondary meristematic tissue, it helps plant to increase in the girth, that is width, motai. Question number 9, what is nervous tissue, where it is located, what are its function? So nervous tissue is the term for groups of organized cells in the nervous system. Where it is located? It is located in the brain, spinal cord and nerves. What are the function of nervous tissue? It is responsible for coordinating and controlling many body functions. So now we are moving to our last important question, that is question number 10. What is the function of ligament? So what ligament does? It attaches bone to bone, means it connects one bone to the another bone. So with this the revision of first chapter is over, and in the next session we will be revising chapter number 3.